Hi, my name is Diane Weinberg, and I'm the principal of Weinberg Elder Law located in Sandy Springs, Georgia. And I want to talk to you today about mental health and guardianship and where they do work well together and where they don't work well together. This is by far one of the toughest area of my practice because when looking at mental health and guardianship, you're really protecting the rights of an individual to refuse medical treatment. That's a fundamental right. But at the same time, we also are protecting the rights of somebody who doesn't have the ability to understand that they suffer from mental illness and should receive treatment so that they can function in society again. So it's a very frustrating because you really see these two fundamental principles at odds. Frequently, I get the phone call, "Hi, I'm told I need an emergency guardianship because my daughter, my loved one, has a mental illness." Guardianship can be useful, but its goal in helping this person with mental illness is limited. So what's really important at this point is to take a look at your goals and what they are. If your goal is to get this person to take their medication or to get them institutionalized in a psychiatric institution, guardianship is not going to help you. You need to go through what's called the Mental Health Code of Georgia. Now, a guardianship or conservatorship can be appropriate to provide support services for somebody with a mental health problem. Often we'll recommend somebody get a limited guardianship with medical consent, residence, and contract. Those are the three types of rights that we ask be removed from the ward, the person with mental illness, and given to the guardian. Here, the person who has a mental illness, they're unable to recognize their illness and receive help. So that allows you to help them if they need to go to the hospital. If they're involuntarily committed, it allows you to deal with their medical providers while they are inpatient. But you cannot, under a guardianship, force somebody to take medication or go to a psychiatric facility. But with a guardianship, you can have somebody move into a residential facility where psychiatric services are available as long as participation is voluntary. These facilities are fairly effective because they have, a group session and everyone goes to the group session. So there's kind of a positive reinforcement, if you will, or positive peer pressure to go to the therapy sessions and to take their medications. So that's what guardianship can do. Conservatorship is appropriate if that person has assets and they're easily influenced, or maybe they're manic, and people who are manic tend to give away everything they own. However, we don't often need it because typically somebody who's got severe mental health problems, they just don't have a lot of money. So the good and bad takeaway from this situation is that if you are dealing with this issue, you are far from alone. And again, my name is Diane Weinberg. I'm with Weinberg Elder Law, and thank you for your time today. Have a wonderful afternoon.